Oh, naulan. Maampo na, no? Ay, dalan. How much your horse ride? Ha? $5 misbehave. La, uulan. Dapat pala pa ganito para kita yung mga background. This is the bathroom. And that's the fish. We're in Isla Roatan, Honduras. It's a small island. Merong malaking big chest over here. Those chairs are free to use, but the ones with covered are $30 for the whole day. They also have Wi-Fi for $5 for the whole day. There's a shower area here. Yep, shower area. Gusto mo maglakad pa doon? Kasi hindi naman yan maglalakad eh. Yung ating mga asawa. Tayo na lang maglakad. Dahil pag tayo niyan, uwian na. May nakita ako doon magandang picture.
For all the Miller Line.
Yeah, I'll pass. Thank you though.
Siningit. Pinasok sila.
Dito lang ako magkakaroon.
Tatago ka. Sexy ka naman. Ayan o. Visit the internet kiosk. Nasaan na nagpunta? Tago siya eh. She's gonna get a cover up. Ayan, hindi ka nang tatago. Woo! Pag! Hi! Ooh, smells like barbecue. Fun shop. More of like kids stuff here. Wi-Fi. Oh. Smoking chips. Ooh, what's there? Feels like province. Beach rental yan, oy. Dito may mga upuan pa, oh. Ah, ito pala yung palabas. Magtingin na rin tayo, nandito na tayo. Pagbalik na lang natin tayo magbabayad. Utang muna. Grabe ang konti ng bilihan, no? Kasi yung dinaanan natin wala naman eh.
Saan ba?
Sarado. Ito lang meron. Dito mo tayo sa kaliwa. Ay, sa kanan.
Ha?
Paano yan? Basta tayo. Whoa! Cold. It's cold.
Are y'all still around hanging around?
Ang high gold dito ha, 40 ah. $30.
Ito?
Magkano sa'yo?
Hindi na.
5?
15 lang yun, yung una.
Mahal nga, pagpasok ko 40.
Hindi na.
Eh, naka-aircon eh.
Okay na.
Pero pag may maganda, like this, I bet.
Because y'all are in Panama, you're kind of inland.
59.
Not to say you're going all of it, but
Rating suits. 59?
yeah.
Ano? Baka kayo makabasa.
Nakakaloka. Tara na daw tayo, baka makabasag.
Kayo makabasa.
Makabasag tayo. Wala tayong pambayad. Dito tayo sa kabila. Uy, tawid ka. Ito. Baka dito meron. Kasi dalawa lang silang pagpipilian mo. Kaya siguro mahal. Diyos ko, mamatay tayo sa ginaw. Oh, ethnic. 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 Cute. Hi, mommy. Oh yeah, I need those.
$7 here. And it's a $9.
Yeah, I need magnets. Hey, what's this? Coaster? Look at this. Handmade.
15 nice days.
Ang cute oh. Pwedeng pang display. 90. Someone loves me.
How much, Anna?
Price.
40 for them.
How much?
40?
Those are brand. So are the US vintage. That one is 32.
This one?
Yeah, maybe.
Cute.
That one is brand.
Oh, that's pretty.
What is the man? Alright?
Man.
Yeah.
That's for men?
Yeah.
Woman, you don't talk about this, man.
This one is woman, alright?
Man too.
Man too?
Oh,
Yeah, but woman.
that's pretty.
Woman, we have them too.
Okay. It's $96.
96. Wow,
Okay.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
I'm cold. Thank you.
This one is it.
Labas tayo. Baka tayo makasira. Ito tayo bayad. Uy, ang ganda oh. Isa pa ako. Ay, okay. Kita ba? Nasaan? Ayun. Hala, magnet lang kailangan ko. Or anything pang display na useful. Ang konti naman. Tinda. Wala na no. Paglabas natin dito, wala na, di ba?
Hirap yun ang mahal.
Ay, hindi. Baka sa kabilang side. Kasi kumanan tayo eh. Pero mahal ah. Mahal. Wala? Oh. Gusto mo sumakay sa crocodile?
Ah.
Ayaw mo. Picturean mo ako, sasakay ako.